Kuya, nawawala ka ba? O, tingnan mo, di ba? Ayaw mo tumaba. I'm already in Panabo! Wow! Saan ka papunta? Ayun, it's kamote time. Hanap butas na naman para makadaan sa traffic. Op, kasya ako. So, what's dude? Oh, ano tayo sa van? Baka masabi tayo ng van eh.
Jane na!
The hell I'm doing, man? What the fuck? At this moment, we are approaching Davao. Pero, sana walang speed gun dito on the right side. Usually, the speed gun here, dito sa part na to is the left side of this road. Yung mga speed gun dito. Oh, yun! I can see there is a speed gun on the left side. As you can see, guys, that is the speed gun. So if you're from Davao and going to somewhere Panabot, Carmen or Tagum, you have to be careful because the speed gun is always, and the weekdays merong nagsispeed gun on the left side papuntang Tagum. So I'm at the checkpoint. Parang medyo matagal ata yung checkpoint ah. Tag sir. Keep going. Tapos na tayo sa checkpoint. And also guys, if you are going to Davao, you have to be careful on this right side because minsan merong mga nagsispeed gun on this spot. Buti na lang wala ngayon. So as you can see guys, malayo pa lang. Kita nyo na, pati papuntang Tagum, it's already traffic dito sa Panakan. No, I can't go there. So if you are going sa gitna ng mga sasakyan dito, kailangan mong mag-revolution ng motor or mag-ingay because there are some cases pag dumaan ka sa gitna ng mga sasakyan at hindi mo ginawa yon, magugulat ka na lang na merong biglang tatawid or something. Lalo na tong mga nagbebenta ng mani or soft or mga mineral water, bigla na lang susulpot and what the, oh, tingnan mo, diba? Oh no, yun. So yun guys, yun yung tip ko sa inyo. Pagdaraan kayo sa gitna ng mga sasakyan, you have to make some noise kasi nga may mga kamote ring nagbebenta ng tubig at saka mani na bigla na lang susulpot. Wow! Kuya, nawawala ka ba? O, tingnan mo, di ba? Ayaw mo tumabig. No way. Fucking way. So, oh no. No, wag mag-counterflow. And also guys, pag may nakita kayong opening or naisip nyo na mag-counterflow dito, wag nyo nang subukan. I'm saying to you, wag nyo nang subukan mag-counterflow. Kasi pag nakita kayo ng enforcer, see you sa City Hall yung lisensya nyo. It's so fucking traffic.
Spending all of my dough, I'm spending all of my cash. All